Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to log in on Clash of Clans. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, open your Clash of Clans app on your device and tap on your settings icon. If your Supercell account is connected, then tap on connected button. It will take you this page. Now select the settings icon. Now click on log out button. Now click on confirm button. It will take you to this new page. Now click on any account you want to log in from. So this is how you log in on Clash of Clans. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.